Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, the ownership of Wealthsimple. Now, you might be thinking, why does this matter? Well, let's be honest, when it comes to our finances, we want to know who's holding the reins. We want to trust that our money is in good hands. And that's where the question of ownership comes into play. So, let's get right to it. Who actually owns Wealthsimple? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might think. Wealthsimple is a privately held company, which means it's not publicly traded on the stock exchange. This means that the ownership is concentrated in the hands of a few individuals and organizations. The largest shareholder of Wealthsimple is Power Corporation, a Canadian holding company with interests in a variety of industries, including financial services. Power Corporation owns a 77.4% stake in Wealthsimple through its subsidiaries, Power Financial and IGM Financial. Other significant shareholders of Wealthsimple include the founders and employees of the company, as well as some venture capital firms. Now, you might be wondering what this means for you as a Wealthsimple user. Well, in short, it means that your money is still safe and secure. Wealthsimple is a well-established company with a strong track record of serving its clients. And while the ownership structure may have changed, the company's commitment to providing excellent financial services remains the same. So, there you have it. The ownership of Wealthsimple is a bit complex, but it's important to understand who's calling the shots when it comes to your money. Now, before I go, I want to leave you with a thought. When it comes to your finances, it's important to do your research and make sure you're comfortable with the company you're using. This includes understanding the ownership structure and the company's track record. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.